Hello everyone and welcome back to Daily Driven Estate. Hope you are having a great weekend. In today's video we are going to talk a little bit about the car. But let's start with a quick wash.
A path unwinding, where shadows unfold. I need a light that shines so bright to guide me through the darkest night. Retro style meets modern might. The eyes LED, OG9 shining light. Hidden dual position, white or amber glow. A performance drive that's ready to go. 12,000 lumens, experience mode. Beam range 500 meters, the road's my home.
Light in the way, the rain and snow. Neutral white, 4500K glow. I'm driving safe, with a clear view. The Strand's eyes, my trusted crew.
EC approved 220 lumens strong, 2C13 meters. My path is long, combo beam pattern, spot and flood. 33 till they spread the roads, my neighborhood. Durable aluminum, polycarbonate lens, stainless steel bracket, a solid defense.
Light in the way, through rain and snow. Neutral white, 4500K glow. I'm driving safe, with a clear view. The Strand's eyes, my trusted crew.
IP68, IP69K, seal tight, dust proof, waterproof, shining bright. 40 grit 6, 260 degrees, see it withstands extreme conditions. No need to disband.
Light in the way, through rain and snow. Neutral white, 4500K glow. I'm driving safe, with a clear view. The Strand's eyes, my trusted crew.
The Strand's eyes, leading the way through the darkness to a brand new day. Reliable and strong, it shines so bright.
So this is my 2016 Volkswagen Golf alltrack. It has a 2-liter TDI engine with stock 184 horsepower, now with stage 1 tune 220 horsepower. You may have picked up that it has a lift kit, a massive 1.5 inches plus a little bit of bigger tires, giving it approximately 1 centimeters more of a tire lift. It's an American-made lift kit from B2B Fab. Tires are in the size of 225 55 17, so just a little bit over stock size, but also more or less as big as it can be without rubbing too much. In the front we have 4 big lights from Strand's lighting division, the model Firefly. Each light have an output of 12,000 lumens and consumption of 142 watts. One lux at 450 meters and together of 4 900 meters. Up on the hood and in the rear I have the model Vortex, amber DRL in the front and red DRL in the back. I also have mud flaps from Rockblocks. It's the second car I use them on and I really like them. Some other small modifications are black mirror caps and wind deflectors. In the rear we have a Friedrich Motorsport exhaust, 3 inches axle back. Thank you for watching, thank you for following those who are. If you are not, please subscribe. Also leave a comment if you have any questions or like the content, and don't forget to like it.
I'm talking premium quality, no compromise. And my rides looking brand new, no more sacrificing. Decon,